Hello everyone, welcome back to HMC. Today I'm excited to introduce one of our best-selling pressure washers, the HMC R1021 series gas pressure washer, a design for professionals who need real cleaning power, reliability, and durability, all in one compact unit. At the heart of this machine is a Virgin Industry triplex pump with a Virgin brass manifold, which ensures stable pressure output and a long service life. The whole frame is made of powder-coated steel and with 10-inch pneumatic rubber tires. Our R1021 comes fully equipped. You will get a durable brass spring gun, rubber high-pressure hose, and a set of quick connector nozzles. This unit delivers up to 3,450 psi of pressure and a flow rate of 9.5 liters per minute. So whether you are cleaning machinery, workshop floors, it gets the job done fast and efficiently. At HMC, we built our equipment with one goal: to deliver power you can rely on every single time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow HMC for more professional cleaning solutions.